Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to continue our lesson for the topic variation chapter 1. Okay, before this, during the previous lesson, you learned that you learned what is the meaning of joint variation. You can write the relationship of two variables, okay, for joint variation. And there are 5 steps that you can use to solve question involving variation. That is, the first one, you must write it in the form of relationship. So let's say it is y varies directly as x, so you will write it y varies directly as x. You are able to write it in the form of this. And then the second step, you can write this, okay, in the form of equation, okay, by adding the constant kx. After that, the third step, to solve a question involving variation, you must be able to find the value of k. And the fourth step, you rewrite the equation. Okay, rewrite the equation y equals to kx, but you substitute the value of k with the value that you get from the step 3. And then the fifth step is you find the value of a variable, okay, based on the question. Okay, maybe the question will ask you, find the value of x when y equals to 3, or find the value of y when x equals to 4. Okay, so these are the 5 steps that you already know in solving the question involving joint variation. Okay, for some question, maybe it will ask you to write the relationship only. So for that case, you can stop at step 1. If the question asks you to write the equation, okay, write the relationship, okay, in the form of equation, you must do all the step until step 4, because when you want to write the equation, you must have the value of k, the constant, you must know. and and then if the question asks you to find the value of a variable given another value of the variables, so you must use the step 1. Okay, you must perform step 1 until step 5. Okay, so this is what you already learned during the previous lesson. So for today, we are going to continue with uh the new learning standard, that is to determine the relation between 3 or more variables for a given joint variation. So what happens if you have more than 2 variables? Okay,